Yeah.
I love all these cameras.
Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Do it in the night, do it to the light. Do it in the night, do it to the light. Baby move, let me see you when you're with it.
Tell me to
Baby
honk.
move, let me see you when you're with it. Throw your hair, make the boys wanna chase. So throw your hair, make the boys I wanna rock this place. Throw your hair, make the boys wanna chase. Boys wanna chase. Give a little sample, I give you a taste. Give you a taste. Give a little sample, I give you a taste. Really bounce. Bounce it. Really bounce. Dirty burn when I bounce it. Bounce it. Count it. Nana. Tick tock when I round it. Really bounce. Dirty burn when I bounce it. Count it. Nana. Tick tock when I round it. Then I pound it. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Do it in the night, do it to the light. Do it in the night, do it to the light. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Do it in the night, do it to the light. Do it in the night, do it to the light.
What's going on right now?
Baby move, let me see you when you're with. Throw your hair, make the boys wanna chase. So throw your hair, make the boys wanna chase. Let me see you do the samba, rumba. Let me see you do the zumba, simba, timon and pumba. King of the jungle, king of the jungle. Nana, Noonie, down and then a goonie. Looney, lunatic, bully. Beat the beat, act like a bully. Big lip, pucker up and eat Joey. Luckier than the leprechaun in a foley. Clover, Nana,
It's going down.
Can everybody hear me?
Yeah. My name is Ranagade Tour. And Eco Styler Gel brought you this performance.
Wine fast, wine slow, me no.
Okay, today was a good day.
It was a great day.
7-11. That performance was insane.
It was like it was set up. Like people came out, you know, and pulled up and like cheered you on, like they had been supporting you for.
It was wild.
Unbelievable. Like
Unbelievable.
We were just watching it. It was just
a dream come
see.
true. Literally, like what if I would have painted the picture of how it would have gone perfectly? It's exactly how it went.
Right.
Chest bump.